This right here excites me. Wow! Nicely hard. The quality. So we're just unloading for one of our favorite customers. See, when I get excited, you'll hear from me. Look at that. This. Is it heavy? Look at that.
Yeah, Ray, what dress is
The app. If I ever find myself short of screws, 2 will be able to support this temporarily. I'll put it together with 3. Come back to it later with the right gauge screw. Darling! So we put 1 screw in, and then you rotate it. Oh, so satisfying. Oh, just that, you know what I mean? When you just, you know what I mean? When you just, you know what I mean? When you just, you know what I